Good evening. Thank you for coming. Sana mag-enjoy tayo tonight.
Okay, thank you, Miss Crystal. Miss Kuka!
Hello, thanks for coming and for joining us. Even though sa mga nanonood, thank you for tuning in.
Yes, worldwide tayo nakapanood now. Bianca!
Hello po everyone! Nice to see you all. Maraming salamat po sa oras niyo. Let's have fun tonight.
May alak ba para mag-fun? Joke! Pagalitan ako. Bawal ng pagalitan ako. And of course, ito nakatabi ko na. Kasi people are raving about you. The promo people, mother, she's from PETA. She's really good. Mayan Espinosa.
Hello, magandang gabi po sa lahat. Marhay na banggi. Ay, Thank you so much for coming to support and happy for you.
Yeah, thank you, syempre, for being part of this beautiful project. Gulat-gulatan naman. Bong Gonzales!
Yes, hello po. Good evening. Good evening to our distinguished panel of judges.
Wow!
Thank you po.
Umaarte ka pa. Nakala ko nag-influence ka lang.
Yes, it's such an honor and a responsibility to be here. Thank you so much.
Perfect ka nga dun sa role mo. Tailor-made. Thank you, Bong. Kilig ako sa batang to. Aljon Mendoza!
Hello po. Sa lahat na nandito, thank you sa press, thank you sa lahat ng supporters. Sa Team Bahay, maraming salamat.
Alright, syempre. Thank you, Aljon. Ito na yung favorite ko talaga. Bukod sa kaibigan ko yung parents niya. Carla Estrada.
Hello, good evening everybody. Thank you so much for being here. It's so nice to see familiar faces, of course, from the press. So thank you for joining us tonight. And ayun, sana mag-enjoy lang tayo.
Oo naman.
And thank you so much.
I will make sure mag-i-enjoy naman kasi ang gaganda ng mga tanong mo namin later. Di lang tayo sa card. Direct pictures. Ikaw na yata ang bagong pandemic blockbuster director. For the last 3 years, you've been dominating the movie, di ba?
Yeah, thank you po to Star, syempre. But for tonight, good evening po sa ating mga supporters, sa press, who will of course help us to spread the word about our film. Salamat po for the time.
Ito na, as if they never separated, Dun sa portrayal nila, parang sila. Pero hindi, alam naman natin yun. Please welcome Joshua Garcia and Julia Barreto. Please! First time makita sila together bukod sa mall show.
Ikaw na yung last. Save the best for last.
Mauna na ako, sabi ko sana save the best for last.
Hindi, ikaw. Okay. Sige.
Ako na muna. Ayaw mo pa.
Sabay na lang tayo. Okay. Hello po, good evening everyone. Maraming salamat. Yes, of course. Thank you sa ating mga press. Sa pagpunta, sa pagbigay ng oras ngayong gabi. Maraming salamat. And sa lahat ng supporters namin ni Julia, nila Aljo, nila Kyla, nila Bong, kayo si Ate Mayan, maraming salamat kasi simula umpisa na dyan kayo, hanggang dito at hindi pa tayo tapos. Meron pa tayong Cebu, may Jensen. Maraming salamat po. Thank you.
Ayun,
of course.
Akala ko ba sabay na lang? Ayun, same lang naman. This is a very special and meaningful night. Hindi namin nakalain na... Okay. Hindi namin akalain. Hindi... Sobrang excited ko. Hindi ko na mabuo yung word. Hindi po namin inakala na... diba, finally makagawa tayo ng... Ulit. So, this is really a very special one. But thank you for joining us. And we'd like to just give a shout out, syempre, kasi sobrang laking parte din po nila Kuya Ketchup at saka nila Tita Noni dito sa pelikula na to. So, if you guys are watching, we're missing you and we wish you guys were here. Okay, guys, let's have fun. Be kind. Thanks.
Okay, before I give the microphone to Justin and Corpcom, I'd like to, the first question, syempre, importante ito, for Josh Lia. Mukhang masasakit ang mga eksena. How was the experience working together in a film at meron bang mga eksena na hinugutan niyo ang past experiences niyo while filming? Ganun bang actors kayo who got sa past experiences?
Sige ako na. Okay. Hindi may iwasan. Hindi may iwasan ang humugot sa past. But I think bilang aktor, ano din nasa sayo na rin yan kung paano mo siya ibabawasan man yung nararamdaman mo. You need just to protect yourself lang din dun sa pain na naramdaman mo. Kung baga kailangan mong humugot.
Grabe yung pain mo sa trailer pala. Parang sobrang pained ka. Okay.
Ayun, yan. Parang gano'n.
Julie, ikaw ba are you the type of actress who makes hugot sa experiences? Who makes hugot?
I don't know. I think ayoko naman i-spoil masyado yung naging process namin ni Josh kasi it's such an intimate one and na kami lang talagang magkakaintindihan habang ginagawa namin to. But siguro ginawa namin inspiration mas lalo yung happy memories namin. Kasi sa pelikulang to, matatrack din natin yung sa nakita nyo naman, mapapanood nyo yung naging journey ni Zai and ni Juancho. And you know, I was really looking forward to coming together to make this film and recreate those happy memories that we really built so much in the past.
Talino mo to. Sarap mong pakinggan. Barreto.
Thank you.
Of course, the question is for yung matatapang nating writer na kung paano nila to nagawa at makonvince na napagwagian ng Viva at Star Cinema mapagsama sila together. Alam ko maraming offers na they want together, pero Star Cinema and Viva ang nakabuo. What made you write this type of story though, Miss Kukay and Miss Crystal?
Of course, we are joined by one of our co-writers also, si Jen, who's not here with us, and si Simon, yung isa sa mga bumuo ng story with us. Siguro, when we were just thinking of the project, talaga nag-iisip lang kami kung ano kaya magandang, kasi it's been a while since we had the love story for Star Cinema. And iniisip lang talaga namin, ano kaya yung generation ngayon, paano kaya sila magmahal? Ano rin kaya yung mga mag-stop sa kanila, ano yung mga binibitbit nila when coming into a relationship, ano yung mga factors na iniisip nila kung dapat ba magtatagal or hindi ang isang relasyon. Siguro isa rin yan sa mga naging inspiration namin while writing the story. And to be honest, it's been parang before the pandemic pa, gusto na talaga namin gumawa ng Joshua and Julia film. Pero hindi natutuloy.
True.
Pero we were so grateful that they both agreed to do this project. And we're here now. Na-inspired din kami actually sa Paubaya, the music video. When we watched it, parang it was just so real for the two of them. And yun, gusto lang namin ikwento kung paano na ba din magmahal yung generation ngayon, di ba? Kung parang paano na sila, do they really hold on? Kasi di ba yung previous generation parang matiisin masyado in the relationship. So I don't know if na-try namin na makwento kung paano yung si Zai at si Juancho magmahal.
I'm sorry, the characters are Zai?
Zai and Juancho.
Juancho.
Tal, you wanna add to it?
Ayan, Miss Crystal.
Hello po. Siguro when we were also, nung binubuo namin din yung story, we were looking for a very relatable one. Diba? Na nakita naman natin yung kwento na two broken people, diba? Na magkikita ulit. Tapos may, syempre diba, sa relationship naman kapag natatapos siya, may galit, may sakit, diba? At ang tanong talaga, may pagmamahal pa ba? Diba? So yun, so ang daming what ifs. Pero ang dulong tanong, what now? Diba? After all that what ifs. Anong gagawin? So yun.
Ayun. Thank you, Miss Crystal. Of course, tatanungin na rin natin ang ating director mula sa papabalik tamis sa teaser. Ngayon naman ay ramdam ang init, lasap ang pait at tumatagos ang sakit sa trailer. Ano pang experience ang may expect ng mga tao sa pagbabalik ng Josh Dia? That's for Direct Peterson. Kasi ang ganda ng trailer, binuin na. Andun lahat ng elements ng emosyon.
Right. Siguro, itutuloy ko lang yung nasimula nila Kukay na sinasabi niya na tinatrack namin ngayon kung paano magmahal yung generation ngayon. Pero I think, gusto rin natin ipakita kung paano sila masaktan. And I think, we Filipinos like to see, di ba, to mirror that in a cinematic experience. So, parang, yun, bumuo lang talaga kami ng pelikula na ang real nung sakit. I think parang it feels so fresh and current. And for Josh Dia, I think, because when I watch their films, kahit masaya sila panoorin, pero alam mong if you go to that like real, painful, dramatic route, mapupush pa natin sila. So I was really excited to push that dramatic journey with them.
First time mong mag-direct ng bida ay former, mga exes?
Oo.
Kasi if you name it, iba yung route mo dito na tinahak eh.
Yeah, and I think parang, yun nga, parang tama yung sinabi ni Ju kanina na sometimes I give them space because they seem to have this very intimate personal process about making the scene. So they were so generous for sharing themselves.
Of course, they're great actors, no? Direct? Sarap, no? Okay. Justin, babasahin ko yata itong question from Reggie Bono. And Reg, would you want this read o ikaw o ako? Ako na lang. The question is for Reggie Bono and this is for Joshua and Julia. Nakakatuwa na balik na ang Josh Dia. Please take us back kung paano ito in-offer sa inyo at nag-guess ka ba agad and why? At ano ang nami-miss nyo sa isa't isa? How was this offered? Pre-pandemic pa ba ito? At may tawanan ng creatives. Mukhang may inside story tayo
During the pandemic, parang we were receiving na meeting, calls and then setting meetings about it. Tapos, originally, iba yung kwento niya and then years later, pa-evolve na yung material. And I think it really boils down to the right time and the right script. So, it's a feeling naman when you know na it's time and when the script is right for the two of us. So, I was on board, of course, right away.
No, talaga? Good to hear that. Ito si Joshua kasi, nung in-offer sa'yo ito, ang dami mong ginagawa. Left and right yung teleseries.
Yeah, actually, after Paubayan, nagka-offer namin. Tapos there's
the controversial Paubayan music video.
With Black Sheep pa to, nung una. Kaya lang hindi natuloy kasi parang hindi pa yung tamang panahon para gawin yun. And then after 5 years, doon na nangyari. Pag-pitch sa amin, parang ang dami ng ideas bigla, bakit hindi ganito, ganyan. So parang saya din nung moment na yun. That's why, nung unang pitch nila sa akin, sabi ko, game ako, gawin natin to, masaya to. Diba?
Na-miss niyo isa't isa? Wala akong pinupush ha, sinatanong ko lang kung na-miss nila sa
Of course. Na-miss ko yung may ka-eksena na naiintindihan yung nararamdaman ko. Alam mo yan?
Oh my God!
Iba rin yung ganun nila. Yeah. And lumalabas siya sa scene talaga. Diba?
Yes, oo.
Yeah. And na-miss ko yung mga tawanan namin. Diba? Hindi lang kami, I mean, lahat tayo, di ba, sa set?
Oo, masaya kami lahat sa set. Sobra. Yung mga kasama natin sabi nila. Oh, yeah.
It's the music. Huh?
Galing naman kasi ng ating scorer today, spinner, pa-music. Hindi ko mabasa, sorry. You have to come here. Okay, so before I give the microphone for the set of questions, tanungin ko na yung ating napakahusay na cast. How did you become part of this project? Let's start with Bianca. May ano ba to? May pa-audition ba sa Derek Peterson? May ganyan ba? Or what? And baka lang hindi namin napanood kayo sa trailer. Please make us kwento about your role, B.
Well, yung role ko here, it's very short, but I can say na it was very memorable shooting with them and it was such an honor, shooting with all of them. Kahit ilang araw lang yun, I flew with sa Bicol. And
you're part of the Bicol group.
Opo. And then, parang they really made me feel like I was at home lang. Parang hindi na kailangan ng warm up. And then, it's such a dream come true also working with Josh Lia. Kasi actually, hindi nga, nung high school ko sila ko, hindi ako nakakoncentrate sa math exam ko nun. Kasi iniiyakan ko yung Paubayan music video nila. Tapos ngayon, parang nakaka-work kasi such a dream come true. So, ayun.
Ito, laging bumabalik sa Paubayan, ano?
Yes.
Like, I was talking to Alan Diones and Ana Pingol kanina. May sinabi silang word, pero huwag na sa akin manggaling. Pero talagang this made a statement kasi sa Josh Lia ng time na hindi ba? Wala na kayo noon, pero nag-together kayo just for the music video. Hanggang doon lang na gusto mong sabihin. Charot. Aljon! Ikaw medyo busy ka lately, ha? Hi na, kamusta? Paano ka naging part ng project?
So,
medyo ilang months din po na nagpahinga ako from acting.
Talaga, pero lagi
yes,
kang nakikita.
Talaga po.
Everywhere. Hindi, minsan.
Baka sa IG nakita, sir. Sa IG.
Oo nga.
Baka ni-stalk niyo.
Mga shirtless men.
Joke.
Siya yung sinotsit.
Kung masimulan Joshua ha, kung masimulan Joshua. Hindi kasi
Joke lang.
Sa Dreamscape siya nagsimula.
Yes po, sa Sandugo, pre-pandemic.
True.
Pero, and first movie ko po ito. So, I'm very grateful na...
First lang ba? O na naman, gulat-gulatan na naman ako sa mga talaga. First ba?
Yes po, very grateful talaga. Hindi ako nag-expect na papasali ako sa movie. Tapos...
Pero si Direk yata may regrets. Tsare!
No regrets at
Just kidding.
Pero nung sinabi po nila sa akin, sobrang excited lang po talaga ako. As in, no expectations at all. Sabi ko, gagawin ko lang talaga to kasi excited ako mag-acting ulit.
Of course. And of course, gulat-gulatan. Ay, Bong!
Yes.
Mukhang special ang role mo.
We'll see.
Wow!
Hindi, nakuha ko po tong role na to. Ay, ang role ko po pala si Lay. My name is Lay. And ako po...
Character mo yan.
Yes, ako po ang nag-iisang kapatid. Julia Barreto.
Seryoso?
Di ba? Nagulat din. Kasi nung sinabi ni
Grabe ka naman. Ang ganda-ganda.
Gulat-gulatan lang ako.
Ako din nagulat nung sinabihan ako ni Direk P tsaka ni Sir Miko about this role. Sinabihan nila ako na kailangan ng keki sir sa movie na to. Tapos kapatid pa ni Julia, so nagpaganda talaga ako. Ayun talaga yung pressure ko.
Actually, achieve naman tonight.
Paano ako kapantay sa ganda ni Ate Julia? Kasi,
Barreto yan.
Yes, Barreto. Kaya tawag nila sa akin, Bong Barreto.
Oh my God.
Yes.
Jajamanin, di ba?
Kaya abangan na lang po natin ano magiging eksena ng keki sir.
I'm happy for you. You get sa part ka ng magagandang projects, Bong.
Julia.
Kasi dati patiktok-tiktok ka lang. Okay, thank you. Ayun. Kyla, do you ever rest? I mean, kasi left and right and shows mo, tapos may movie, tapos isa ka pa.
Pero ako, grateful lang din ako na kasama ako sa movie na to. When they told me about it, I was also very excited to be part of it. Kahit hindi ko pa alam kung anong yung role. Sabi ko, game na ako. And of course, I've been wanting to work with Direk Peterson as well.
First time?
Yeah, first time. And of course, si Josh nakatrabaho ko na napakahusay. Sa Viral Scandal po. Teleserye. Yes. And si Julia, it was so nice to work with her. Parang immediately nag-click kami. So, ang ganda lang ng experience. Especially lahat ko.
Kasi maganda, matalino.
Kami magkakasama lahat sa Viva. Lahat kami. Sobrang naging organic yung connection namin. Kaya parang ang sarap mag-work.
I'm sure happy rin naman yung dalawang trabaho.
Yung set and of course yung bonding namin lahat. Ang role ko po dito, pangalan ko dito si Aya. Ako yung business partner at best friend ni Juancho, yung character ni Joshua.
Alright, hindi ko lang kasi sila naman nakitang-kita na yung role ni Joshua at ni Julia. This point, ibibigay ko na talaga microphone sa unang magtatanong sino to, Justin?
Ayan, magandang gabi po mga kapamilya. Ako po si Justin Ayers sa ABS-CBN PR. Ayan, ang unang pong magtatanong, by the way, we receive us 19 sets of questions. So kung di po
it cannot be doubted that this will be a hit movie, and one hit movie surely deserves another. Are you prepared to make more movies, even if it might affect your personal relationships and your personal lives?
The question is for, Tito Dan?
Sorry, I forgot. For Josh and for Julia.
Baka for him.
Answer.
Alam mo, ito talaga agawan tayo sa magot. Hindi nakasagot ng role niya si Miss May.
Yes.
Kasi si Bong lang.
Hit movie cannot just be one hit movie. For sure there will be next offers to do more movies, more team-up movies between the two of you. Are you prepared to do more movies even if it might affect your personal relationships or personal lives?
Interesting question. Are you open to answering the question? Definitely, Julia.
Yeah, you know what, Tito? I feel like there's no might because I believe both Josh and I are both in a very secure place in our lives na kahit gumawa pa kami ng 10 pelikula, hindi naman yun yung intention naman nun ay hindi para makasira ng isang magandang bagay. So, yun lang. Siguro we're in a very secure position in our lives and it's not, I guess, fair to put it that way to the people that will be, affected with the way that you ask the question. But we'll be fine. I think we're okay. Tignan mo, ang saya namin natapos yung Unhappy for You. Lahat ng nasa paligid namin masaya para sa amin. Minamahal pa rin kami. So I think it says a lot about where we both are in our lives.
Nice. In other words, it's a yes. Joshua.
Yes po. Yun na lang din po yung sagot ko. Kasi actually, kami po ni Jude, parang iba na yung approach namin sa work this time. Mas professional. We know our boundaries na rin. So, wala naman siguro ganun mangyayari, di ba? And, nagsushoot pa lang mo kami nito. Nag-uusap na kami na sana makagawa tayo, pero sana comedy naman. Kasi, pigang-piga kami dito. Masaya na ba kayo?
Happy!
Kaya pala in-denial siya sa pain. Yung pala tunod naman talaga sa Derek Peters and yung pain.
Meron na kami peg na...
Sana comedy.
Oo, comedy. Yun naman yung dinidream namin habang nag-i-excel na kami ng mabibigat. One day, Josh, magka-comedy tayo. Yung comedy lang.
Okay. Tito Dan, you're good?
It's nice for you to do a comedy next. After Unhappy for You, it should be very happy for you.
Thank you po.
A very happy for you. A very happy for you.
Meron pa, Justin. Yung next question natin, babasahin mo from G. Trilliana.
Actually, ang ganda. I was gonna tell you nga, Justin, gusto kong tanongin ka from G. Trilliana ng editor ng Malaya. Malaya. Okay, there's a video. This is for Julia muna. There's a video of you asking audiences if they would watch your movie with their exes. Kailan ka dumating sa point na you became comfortable enough to meet your ex again? To meet your ex again, and ano yung nag-precipitate nung feeling na yon? Okay na ako, Josh.
So in other words, in a simpler form, ano yung tanong?
Naguluhan nga rin ako, pero sabi ko ang ganda ng tanong, pero ako naguluhan.
Hindi ko tinatanong.
Tita G,
ano pa ang kanina pa tinatanong sa'yo din yan?
Alin?
Kayo na papahawak ng script?
Yung sa mga show daw kasi, first of all guys, tinanong na ibang cast yan. Inulit ko lang yung tanong, baka hindi klaro. At saka nag-joke lang ako. Kung baga, hindi ko namang ine-encourage na panoorin niyo with your ex. Kasi choice niyo naman yun, di ba?
Kasi uso mo yun ng mga exes na nag-reunite.
Uso ba yun?
Officially for you yung sa show na
yes.
Especially for you.
I mean, choice naman niyo yun. I mean, kung parang, di ba, kung trip niyo yun.
It's for entertainment.
Oh, for entertainment lang
naman yun.
Parang
masaya lang, di ba?
Correct. Joke time lang yun. Pero hindi namin sinasabing kailangan panoorin niyo itong sama mga ex. Okay, mag-isa kayo. Okay lang. Basta panoorin niyo. Buy a ticket or something.
Josh, may dadagdag ba? Okay. Kasi next, ikaw na. The question, what steps did you take to prepare for the role and was asking your current partner's permission included in these steps? Did you ask permission from?
No, hindi ko na-ask sa partner ko. Kasi bago pa rin kayo magkakilala, alam niyo yung actor na yung trabaho.
Oh, sana all, no?
I'm just very supportive about dun sa movie. Kung ano naging process ko sa movie, enjoy ko lang yung process. Enjoy ko lang siya, enjoy ko yung journey na makatrabaho ulit si Julia. And enjoy ko yung journey na makatrabaho si Derek Peterson and lahat ng cast natin dito. Yun lang yung nangyari na. And kung may mali man kasi kami magawa, kino-correct na kami ng writers and nila direct.
May writers on the set ka, kayo?
Yes, very hands-on sila sa pelikula.
At least hands-on, di pa baya. Charot, hindi pa baya ba? Tawa ng tawa dito, Miss Kaya? Okay. Ano, ikaw to o ako to, Justin? The
next question will come from Jimpy Anarcon of Freebie MNL.
Yay! Birthday ni Jim pila 2 days ago. Hi Jim, stand up. Happy birthday. Kung hindi si Julia, favorite mo.
Yeah.
Correct.
Okay. First question, ano naman to ha, not naman on the negative side, no? But, hindi ba kayo nag-worry? Kasi most of the time, pwedeng dalawa yung effect, di ba? Pag nagre-reunion yung mga ex, either, syempre you become friends talaga, which we all hope for. And some, medyo mag-open ng can of worms, parang ganun. Tapos di na magkaka-work after.
Can of what?
Can of worms. Mga, siguro mga unclosed keme, ganyan. Hindi ba kayo nag-worry na baka mayroong ganong sitwasyon?
May mga mauungkat na ano, may ma-open na issues. Issues. Hindi ba kayo nag-worry na may mabubuksang issues?
Or naka-ready na kayo or naka-gear na kayo na okay, this will be a fun set. Happy with you.
Ini-idiomatic expression naman kasi tayo. Ini-idioms tayo ni Jimpy.
Feeling ko ready na kami kasi una-una hindi rin namin tatanggapin kung hindi kami ready. So diba, parang bakit namin gugustuhin na masaktan kami dito sa pelikula? Parang sobrang sadista naman natin sa sarili natin. Parang I think ready na kami bago pa namin gawin. It's been 5 years na din, diba? Tagal, marami na nagbago and yung iba na, right?
Yeah, in a good way.
In a good way. Yeah.
Ikaw, Julia.
Ano po yun?
Addition to that.
Saan po?
Doon sa ma-open na mga
kung hindi ka pa nag-worry.
Can of worms.
Hindi naman, I don't think it was worry. Honestly, I was just really excited to reunite with Josh, work with him, and work with Derek Peterson, our cast, our writers that, you know, I've worked with Kukay several times also. So it was more excitement. I think ang ganda ng mindset namin lahat coming into this project na we all had one goal, and I think that made us bond even closer because of that one goal.
And then Julia, coming from that viral video, no?
What?
Hindi, ito naman, parang...
Ready lahat, sila yun.
Hindi, ang ganda kasi na narating nyo na yung ganong sitwasyon na pwede na siyang pagtawanan, gawing joke. So parang through the years na, yun nga, nagkaroon ng something, tapos pwede kayo magka-work ulit ngayon. Paano nyo na-achieve or na-prepare yung sarili nyo to be in that situation na pwede nyo na siyang pagtawanan and you can work together harmoniously?
Yeah.
Sorry. I feel like parang may understanding na kami na even if we don't talk about it, parang okay na sa amin kasi tagal na parang happy na kami sa posisyon namin sa buhay ngayon. And then parang gusto na lang namin mangyari ngayon is parang ma-retain yung friendship namin, di ba? Diba? So sayang kasi di ba parang iba na rin yung understanding natin sa isa't isa.
Yes, agree. Tama yung sinabi ni Josh.
Okay. Thank you so much and congratulations.
Thanks, James. Happy birthday ulit.
Happy birthday!
Okay. Gusto mong tanungin ko lang, here's a question kasi ang maganda to pero parang feeling ko nasagot na, so hindi ko na itatanong. Charot. For Joshua, Josh, sa palagay mo ba hindi makaka-apekto sa relasyon mo, sa real girlfriend mo, real life girlfriend mo, ang pakikipagtambal mo kahit di pa parang nasagot nila na hindi, don't have to tell me. And for Julia, how has your working dynamic with each other evolved? How has your working dynamic with each other evolved since your last collab?
Our last is Paubaya.
Paubaya. Well, you know what? It feels so the same and different at the same time. But different is good because it means like over the years, parang nag-evolve na kami as people and as actors as well. So it's nice that, you know, we've grown a lot in those past years as we come together and we get to learn new things about each other and then from each other while we're working. So it's really been a really good and fun experience doing this with Josh all over again. Parang iba talaga yung dynamic namin sa trabaho. Ang dali ng trabaho kapag may pagkakaintindihan kayo na kayo lang makakaintindi sa proseso na yun. So it's special. It's different.
Tama namin. It was a real special relationship that you had, and up to now you still keep that, di ba? Yung respect for each other, di ba? Kaya ang gandang lumalabas. The question pala came from Wilson Riquiza ng Kapamilya On Demand. Okay, may gusto kang tanongin or we can entertain questions from here, from Alan Dionis, I understand. May mga gusto.
Audience takes away from the film.
Wala. Tsaka in pain eh. Iiyak pa kami iiyak dito.
It's all about feeling ko isa dito yung healing. Healing. Yung pag-accept.
Ang dami, you know why? May sariling personal journey si Juancho, may sariling personal journey si Zai. And even all of our characters here in the movie, we all have our personal journeys na nakikita talaga namin yung isa't isa. Para kaming reflection lahat ng isa't isa. We all have our different pains and our different joys. So, but tama si Josh, it's healing, it's letting go, it's accepting, it's setting free. It's really gonna be an emotional roller coaster ride in this film. And yeah, excited kami na gulahin ang buhay niyo for 2 hours. Just kidding.
Yeah, tama po yun.
One more for Direk naman.
The question is from?
For Direk po.
Hindi, anong name mo?
My name is RC and I'm also from Metro.
Ganda. Pinagandaan tayo ni RC.
Thank you po. And my question po for Direk is, why did you choose to shoot in Naga? What is special about Naga? And how does the location enhance the story?
I've been meaning to ask. Di ba may iba rin binibigay yung landscape ng Naga? Di ba, Direk? Are you a Bicolano?
Actually, no. Hindi naman. But it was actually an idea that I worked with our writers. Kasi part of the journey that actually di pa natin masyadong binabangkit, but you actually guys saw it in the trailer, is medyo mapang-ahas at may nakakatakam na element din yung reunion ng exes sa story. And we felt like Naga as a city that's filled with a lot of spiciness. We wanted to like also embrace that
the silly
flavor. Meron din siyang flavor na gano'n. At saka yung na-add anything.
Go ahead, Ms.
Kasi as mentioned by si Direk P, parang, di ba, yung pag kumakain ka ng anghang at first, parang papasipa ka. But later on, parang kapag nandun ka na.
Panay sipa.
Ikaw mo. Si Bong, parang kaya ni Bong yung sipa. Ayun. Di ba, parang parang, what was that? Pero meron siyang sarap na nabibigay later on.
And the pain stays.
Oo, pero the pain stays, but it's so good.
Uy, totoo yan.
So,
after, di ba, parang you still wanna keep wanting for more.
Totoo, di ba? Kain ka naman ng kain. Nandun yung pain, nandun yung heal.
That's why we set it in Naga.
Alam mong nadala ka na, uulitin mo pa rin siya.
Yes.
Siguro sa pelikula, dapat pala tayo din to sili.
Sili challenge.
That explains the whole synopsis yata, di ba? Nadala ka na, sige pa rin.
Yes. Nasaktan ka na, gusto mo pa rin.
Ganda. Ang gandang anong tawag doon. Anyway, okay. You're good, Miss RC?
Thank you po.
Thank you, dear. Gusto kong tanongin yung buong cast about... Kasi uso... gusto ko muna si Mea muna, si Miss Mea.
Parang marami kang gustong sabihin.
My stand on reuniting with an ex. I guess, iba-iba naman tayo ng...
Meron ka na rin naman
Yes, opo.
At 11? Charot.
10.
Ay, sumasagot sa akin.
Iba-iba naman tayo ng personal experiences and pain. Pero ako, for me, personally, as Bianca, kapag wala na, I'm really not one na balikan pa. Kasi kung tapos na, yun na siya. But, you know, if maybe when the time is right for him and maybe for me, or generally, siguro yes.
Depende talaga.
Yeah, depende talaga. Pero for me personally, no,
pain.
okay na ako eh. It took me so much to, you know, heal and everything. Hindi ko babalikan.
Nag-content din yung hugot din ka talaga.
General lang yun.
General. Yes. Pero, okay. Si Aljan ba, meron ka na naging open relationship? Naging kayo ba talaga noon?
Para sa akin naman po, syempre depende pa din kung paano kayo nag-end. Kung may respect naman nung nag-end, why not? Pero,
hindi naman ibig sabihin na nag-reunite kayo, kailangan maging kayo ulit na mag-jowa, di ba? Pwede ding maging friends or good work.
So pwede?
Pwede.
It doesn't have to be romance, no?
Yes. Saka, kapag time kasi talagang mag-heal ka din eh. So, dadating yung time na hindi ka na naapektuhan. So,
parang yung Josh Lee yan, no? Napapayag sila magtrabaho, naging friends.
Yeah, super professional at super...
Saka never nilang sinaktan ang fans nila. Nung naghiwalay sila, parang hiwalay lang, pero wala silang sinaktan. Di ba? Derek Peterson, nag-share ka ba ng on reuniting with...
Masaya naman yun. Masaya kasi magulo yung buhay mo from time to time.
Kung naman perfect, di ba?
Masaya yun. Tsaka inspiration.
Mukhang saya-saya mo sa buhay mo ngayon, Direct Piano.
Isang oras lang tulog niyan.
Yan lagay na yan, ha? Okay, si Miss Mayan, meron na rin namang serious relationships.
Pero
at 13. Charot lang po ako.
Wow, okay.
Naiiyak?
Hindi. Makati lang. Tawag dito, kung meron ka sigurong pag-ibig at may pagkatuto, sige, okay lang. Pero kung if you're just getting back with an ex for nostalgia's sake, bakit pa? Diba? So,
kung busitin ang sarili mo.
Oo. Pero depende sa inyo, diba?
Depende talaga sa sitwasyon na, tsaka yung naiwang pain or memories.
At sana nga may pagkatutong naganap, di ba? Kasi kung wala, bakit pa?
Nice.
Sino ba natin?
Ayan. At ito na.
Yes po.
Aamin ka ba ngayon?
May stand po on ano.
Wow!
Yes, may stand. Tsaka lang, hindi ako personally. Personally, I won't. Pero it depends on the situation o anong nangyari with your past. And I believe masasagot ng movie na yan if you should
promo.
Kaya panawagin na po August 14 in Cinema Station 1.
Ay ka-girlfriend ka na.
Girlfriend?
Sabi mo misgender kita. Tagulan. Yan ang acting mo ngayon.
Ibalik mo yung tanong kay Sir EJ.
Kayo po nagka-girlfriend ako.
Thank you na, thank you.
Oy, sumusunod ako sa ate ko.
Bentang-benta, Joshua, Julia. Magko-co-host na kami ni
Kasi naman ang comedy, natin dito.
Kaya nga, sabi niyo, let's all have fun. Kaya nga ako andito para sumaya.
Let's watch the movie.
Ang clown na million ako dito. Ito na, parang...
Kai!
Ito, wala akong alam sa personal life ni Kyla. Alam ko lang yung trabaho.
Okay na yun, Sir EJ. Hindi na po natin kailangan mag-ano.
Malaman pa nila.
Siyempre, ang daming factors eh. It really depends on, like what everybody said, the circumstances, how you broke up, diba? Pero personally for me, I think it's a boundary that I set for myself na even friendship I wouldn't consider anymore. Civil, of course, pero friendship, parang hindi na.
In all your excess, yes. Kahit na maganda yung yung gitna.
Yeah. Personally, it's just a personal boundary that I set for myself. Na parang, civil, of course, diba? But then hindi na yung parang kain tayo, yung ganun kind of friendship. Diba? Hindi na ganun. But I guess it also matters the headspace that you're in. If you're secure with yourself or if you are in a secure relationship, I think that also counts for something. And I feel like that, and of course your environment as well, diba? And I feel like that's why this movie is so beautiful, and yung partnership ni Josh and Julia is also so beautiful because they're in such a great headspace and such a great point in their lives na nagawa nila ito ng walang any kind of drama, it's just pure professionalism and also great connection and a great friendship. So, yun.
I'm sure proud na naman ang nanay mo si Janice. Joshua, Julie, ito na ba yung sagot dun sa tanong? Yung ginawa niyo itong unhappy for you?
Siguro naman hindi na kami tatanong.
Kaya nga, baka naman may iba.
Kasi kita naman sa lahat.
Oo. So basically, ito yung sagot.
Ito pa.
You can be okay being reunited with an ex. Yeah. Kasi nagsama kayo, eh.
I'm not sure, okay lang ba sa'yo yun? Okay lang ba sa'yo yun?
Sa'yo okay lang din.
Okay naman, kaya mature.
Hindi, pero okay lang. Okay lang.
Yeah, oo naman. Wala naman tayong bit-bit na.
Yeah. Totoo yung sabi ni Aljon, depende kung paano kayo nag-end. Yeah.
Totoo, di ba? It could be an ex na happy ending or it could be ex na hindi traumatic. So depende kung sino yung tinutukoy mo ng ex, di ba? Kala mo naman, ang dami kong pinagdaanan sa relasyon. Diyos ko. Okay. Thank you, Joshua, Julia. Breakups. May gano'n ba?
Ano po, sorry?
May impart ba tayong sa viewers how to handle breakups? With
sa pelikula po?
Lesson learned na matututunan ng mga tao about breakups. On handling it, or may ganun ba?
I think hindi siya pinakita on how to handle it. But if you watch the movie at nakita mo kung paano hinandle ni Wancho and Zai, malalaman mo na kung paano siya i-handle. Bilang ikaw yung nanonood sa POV mo. Yeah.
So meron kahit paano, depende sa karga. Can we have the two writers add to that?
Wala naman pong walang step 1, walang ganun.
Actually, fans. Actually, nung in-announce nila yung new project alert, talaga nabuhay agad sila.
Parang nakaka-proud sila.
Nakaka-proud sila.
Yung maturity din nila.
Grabe din ang pinagdaanan nila.
Yeah.
So, nagpapasalamat.
Kasi kasabay namin sila nung nag-process.
Oo,
sabay namin sila umiyak. So, proud ako sa Josh Lia. Nandiyan pa rin.
Though individually naman, sinusupport nila kayo,
yes,
diba? You had a movie rin before Julia, diba? Tapos Joshua, ikaw din naman. You had series on series, diba?
We're so grateful, guys. Salamat dahil never kayo nag-give up. Hindi nyo kami tinigilan na supportahan. Kahit yung individual works namin, nandyan kayo. So, sana this will bring you guys a lot of joy, yung movie na to.
Okay, the question was from Erwin Santiago, ng editor ng Bandera. And another question for Julia. Paano mo i-describe yung dating Joshua Garcia noon sa ngayon? Marami ka bang new discoveries after 5 years, Beth?
Yeah, sobrang proud ako kay Josh. Grabe yung... Alam mo yung una pa lang na... Ano ba yung pinakauna natin? Yung look test? Script reading ba yun? Hindi, look test yun. Nakaka-proud. Sobrang sabi ko, wow, he's really learned to... You've really become confident in yourself. Nakita ko na...
Shy pa din, ano? Confident pero
hindi, confident yan. I mean, confident in the sense na mas kilala niya na sarili niya ngayon, mas secure na siya sa pagkatao niya ngayon. He knows what he wants, he knows what he doesn't want. Parang mas kilala niya na sarili niya, mas love niya na yung sarili niya. So, it's so nice to see how he has evolved into the man that he is today. So, proud ako sa'yo.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Confident na. Ayun, sumasagot
Confident yan. Sabi ko nga, grabe, nang pinapanood ko to si Aljon. Sabi ko, parang si Josh to dati.
Actually, they can pass for brothers. Diba?
Yeah, oo, always.
Sabi ko lang kay Ju, mas fit lang siya sa akin.
Mas, alam mo, mas may masal-masal lang siya ngayon.
Dati, bad ako eh.
Cute yan. Cute lover boy, lover boy.
Pero grabe yung journey ni Joshua. Now he's the most sought after leading man, from a PBB. After, hindi, diba? You get to be paired with,
Ano yan, very thankful and grateful lang ako. Parang ang gandang regalo sa akin na ika-10th year ko this year.
Correct.
Parang ang gandang regalo sa akin. So, thank you. Thank you, Bessie.
10th anniversary celebration po ni Joshua itong Unhappy For You. Okay, more questions from your end, Justin.
Ayan, kasama na natin si Dean Bailon of Pep.ph.
Ayan, personally, he'll ask the questions.
Yes po.
Alright.
For Julia and Joshua, nagkaroon ba kayo ng heart-to-heart talk bago magsimula yung shoot? Kasi parang last time yung paubaya po yung last na kasama niyo.
May ganun ba kayong exercise na?
Wala. Kulit na namin.
Nagkaroon kami pero during shoot na, no?
Yeah, hindi siya parang Heart to heart before now.
Hindi siya yung malalang heart to heart na nag-iiyakan kami. Hindi naman gano'n. Buti na lang, okay ka kayo. Hindi na gano'n, di ba? It's more of parang nag-catch up lang, di ba?
Masayang pag-uusap lang, wala nang ano.
Ay, ganun hobbies mo ngayon, di ba? Ano ginagawa mo, ganyan.
Ano pinapakinggan mo ngayon?
Oo, mga music, di ba?
So okay, sa set lang yan, ano? Hindi naman yung parang outside the set, kumustahan pa kayo. Ibang usapan naman yun, na parang, di ba?
Naku, ganun po talaga Sir EJ.
After kasi ng shoot namin, meron kami parang 20 to 30 minutes na tatambay kaming cast. Tapos doon kami parang nagre-release ng tension ng buong araw na yun sa mga excel.
Supervised by direct yan, hindi naman.
No, kami lang ito.
Cast lang.
Ng cast.
So, yeah, yun yung ginagawa namin. So doon kami nakakapag-usap-usap din. Na yun yung labas ng trabaho.
Confident ka na, madaldal ka na.
Hindi na. Share lang ako ng experience.
Ikaw naman natatanong ko, ibabalik ko yung tanong. New discoveries about Ju. Bukod sa matalino pa, sobrang mas matalino siya ngayon, mas smart, mas ano, at napaka-sexy.
Grabe naman.
Sobra.
Julie. Gusto ko kung paano siya ngayon sa the way kung paano niya himayin yung script. As in parang ako'y nahihiya sa set pagka parang shit, grabe naman himayin ni Ju yung script niya. Makita mo talaga may mga notes siya dun sa script niya.
Talaga?
Ako'y nahihiya. Sabi ko, gawin ko nga rin yun. Punta ako ng room ko, naggawa-gawa ako kunyari ng ganyan. Wala rin man nangyari.
Yung highlighter ko rin, di ba?
Kidding aside, na-proud ako sa kanya kung paano niya itrato yung trabaho ngayon. Well, before, sobrang respeto rin naman niya. Pero iba na yung atake namin ngayon sa work eh. Mas detalyado na kami. Even yung mga lines, hindi siya basta binabato eh. Ibang-iba na, no? And I'm proud of you.
Thank you.
Direk Peterson, masarap ka trabaho.
Oo naman. Oo naman. Kasi
katabi mo. Sharp.
No, but it was really a fun set. I think they were all very generous to each other. And I think nililid nyo kasi yun, Josh, Julia. I think yung generosity comes from how everyone sees them together. Ewan ko, parang there's just really this beautiful energy, this aura when they're together.
Teaser pa lang naramdaman ko na siya.
Yes.
The magic's still there.
And there's magic, yes. I also believe.
Diba? Okay. Pep ulit, more questions?
Last na po sa akin. So yung unhappy for you, parang mabigat siya. Babalik ta rin natin. Happy for you. Kung may sasabihin ka, Julia and Joshua sa isa't isa.
Sino si Joko?
Josh and Julia. So I'm happy for you. Parang dugtungan nyo lang.
I'm
Joshua,
happy for you.
And Julia, I'm happy for you.
I'm happy for you. Directed by...
Bongga! Ang saya-saya.
Wait lang, mag-isip mo na ako.
Itutuloy ba yung I'm happy for you?
Oh, I'm happy for you for all that you have achieved.
I'm happy for you sa lahat na-achieve mo rin. Diba? Ako kasi ang happy ko kasi ang ganda ng mga pelikula na ginagawa. Diba? Yeah, ang ganda ng ginagawa mo, yung track ng pelikula na ginagawa mo. So I'm happy for you na ang ganda ng mga decisions mo. Thank you.
Thank you.
Matalino yan si Chad eh.
Ano ba yun?
Thank you and sorry niyo sa isa't isa.
Oo nga eh. Nagawa na namin to dati.
Thank you and sorry.
Oh, very nice.
Actually,
sabi ko talaga, ikaw, Jude.
Pinasa sa akin. Ako, thank you na ako yung...
Kinanta na lang.
Bakit kayo ganito? Tapos na namin ginawa to dati eh. Joke lang, hindi. Ganito na lang. Dito tayo sa present. Oh, go.
Thank you, Julia, for being open.
Okay.
Dun sa buong journey natin sa pelikula. Sobrang thank you. So, thank you kasi alam ko hindi ako mag-isa dun sa pelikula. Kasi pag may mga araw na down ako, ina-assure mo ako, nandiyan ka para alalayan ako. Thank you. Generous ka sa acting na binibigay mo. Okay, hindi ka madamot. And wala akong dapat ika-sorry. Yan lang.
Kasi, joke lang. That's a joke, guys. Relax. There's no show for today. Ako, genuinely, Josh, thank you. Because, naramdaman ko sa buong time na sinushoot natin ng pelikula na to, inalalayan mo talaga ako. Kilala mo ako, alam mo kapag medyo kinakabahan ako sa eksena, pag medyo parang yung energy ko nagbabago. Thank you because ganun din. You're always asking kung okay ako, and you're always finding ways to make sure na everything and everyone on the set, okay kaming lahat. Hindi lang ako, everyone iniisip mo sa set. And thank you because ikaw din naging open ka to this idea of working together again. We're crazy for doing this, but thank you for being open and being so generous and honest in all of our scenes. And yung sorry, mapapanood nyo naman sa movie kung ba't siya nagsorry. Oo, okay na yun kasi nagawa na namin yung dati.
Totoo, yeah. But let's take this opportunity na to thank the casting.
Sobra,
I want to say thank you kay Bo, Kyla, Ate Ben, and of course, Aljo, Bianca, and kay Tito Noni, kay Ketchup. Maraming salamat sa pagtanggap ng project. Ang laki ng tulong yun sa amin. Ang laki ng support na binigay nyo sa amin. Talaga. Kasi hindi madali yung pelikula for us. Diba? Hirap din. Pero nandiyan kayo na nakaalalay sa amin. Kumbaga, kahit kami yung nasa harapan, nandun lang kayo lahat sa likod namin. Kaya maraming salamat sa inyo. And of course, Direk, oh my God, maraming salamat sa iyo, Direk, sa lahat. Sa pag-alalay mo sa amin.
Sa pag-push sa amin.
Sa pag-push.
Hindi ka talaga nag-give up.
Yes.
Sa amin. And honestly, our writers,
Kugay,
grabe.
At Detal, masaya na ba kayo? Thank you rin sa inyo. Thank you rin sa inyo. Kila Simon, maraming salamat.
Okay, hindi ko na ma-entertain yung ibang question, but thank you sa pag-send ng question. Si Goldwyn Reviews, si Daniel ng Capex Official. Daniel, thank you. Mikey Vinyas ng Kapamilya Vines. Tama, Vines ba? Vinyas. Basta yun. Team Babilaw ng Pep.ph. At si Albert Bryan ng Chicanes.